How the heck do you craft with that part 9? Losing your grip when stamping? I've got you. Stampers that create with repositionable stamp sets like the ones we offer at Stampin Up want to have our high quality, reusable acrylic blocks in their crafty tools. These clear blocks are perfect for all your cling red rubber stamps as well as your photopolymer clear stamps so that you can see right where you're stamping. Let me show you. Acrylic blocks by Stampin Up are grooved all around the sides with no blunt corners for easy gripping, allowing you to stamp comfortably all day. The thicker, approximately 3/4 inch blocks help you avoid inky fingers when applying ink to your stamps, reducing those inky smudges on your projects. Simply mount your stamp onto the block, ink it up, stamp your image, clean your stamp, and once you're complete, you can remove the stamp from the block.